Hi guys, Lens here, and this video is all about the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. The reason I'm doing this video is because, like other Samsung Galaxy phones and also tablets, we experience various problems, issues, and this include black screen problem, frozen screen, viruses, bug in the system. So this brings me to the Samsung S10 and S10 Plus. So yes guys, with this phone, will this phone have any sort of issues? Yes, it will. So I am waiting to see what issues users will experience, and we have seen in other phones overheating problems in most phones in the past, a little black screen issue, unresponsive screen, frozen screen, viruses, bug in the Android system. So there are tons of problems, including when it comes to the network as well. With the call feature, you can't hear while you're on a call, the user can't hear you, or some sort of thing like that. We experienced problems before, Wi-Fi issue where you can't get to turn your Wi-Fi on and your Wi-Fi is sticking. So this brings me to this video. When I think about the Samsung Galaxy S10, will this phone be any different from? I will be looking at the reviews of those who will buy this phone and who will be using it and their user experience, because I know different persons experience different problems, and this is why I'm here. I'm here to actually learn about these problems and issues as well, and to provide a way to fix these problems, to provide a solution to fix all of these problems. So I'll be looking at the reviews on the internet, on those websites like eBay, Amazon, Samsung, and also for the high-tech websites on the net for news on the latest Samsung Galaxy phone. So this brings me to you subscribing to my channel, as I will be providing valuable information how you can fix your device and how you can resolve your problem very fast. So this is the thing, many persons around the world actually thank me for solution I provided for them in the past that actually saved them hundreds of dollars. So I might save you some money as well. Yes, subscribe to my channel and I will bring you informative videos that will help you, and to help you resolve your device and to keep your device up to speed, up to the correct temperature that it should be operating at, and functioning good as possible. Also, I'll be recommending software that you can use with your device. I've been doing so as well for iOS devices, and I will be doing so for Samsung Galaxy devices. There are software out there that you can use to keep your device optimized and to keep your device going, working effectively. And also I'll be recommending even virus protection software and more. So again, I'm awaiting to see what problems we will see with this new Samsung Galaxy S10, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'm waiting for the next release of the new phones on the market. Again, I'm Lens. Like this video and also drop a comment down below as to what you really think about the phone industry right now.